So now, this is actually what an agent will actually see in his user interface. So let me just give you a brief background on what this is all about. So for the customer information, this is actually what you can actually see when when you set yourself up for the first time. So it will actually quote unquote call the call list and place them all here. And then on the script form, this actually forms a part of what the agent will actually say. For callbacks, if there are callbacks, numbers will be seen here. And then in the campaign details, for purposes of information, the agent might need, all of the information will be here. And then so on the upper corner, upper left hand corner, you'll see the next and preview next. So this will actually uh, give you information on give you the feature to move forward with a call or end the call or make another call. So you can dial and dial. You can even add a new lead. So let's try and click next. Okay. So that all you need to do now is that click dial, and all what will happen is that it will dial this number. So once you've ended the call, you'll click here on the on the red button, and then when you click next, it will ask you the disposition. So for example, the after your call, what was derived from the call is that you need to make an appointment. So all you need to do is click appointment set. And what's good about this system is that it will even give you the scheduler. So once you click there, the disposition as appointment set, all you need to do now is place here when you need to make the appointment or when you need to make a follow-up call. So for example, you need to call the person on May 23 at 11:30 a.m. Then you click done. What will happen is that it will be saved into the database and you will actually be able to have that number on May 23 at 11:30 in the morning. So you can make that call already. Okay. So again, let's try another call. Let's click on preview next, and then you can set up um, again what position. So for example, person you called is very mad and say not interested or do not call. So all you need to do is click there not interested and then click done, and then you're off to the next number. See, it's very, very useful, very, very convenient, very, very user intuitive because here in IPC, our objective really is to offer solutions that are less complicated, simple, and features that very, very important from the get-go. In fact, this is application is geared as all of the management, all of the configuration complexities of running at contact center, so you have more time and you can allocate more resources into doing the core applications and the core functions that your company needs to really do. Okay, so now we've seen how to make a call. Let's look at um, looking at the applications, looking at the system on a QA standpoint. Okay, so for example, I finished my 8-hour shift already. The next question is, what do I do next? So as part of total and holistic approach towards a real business application, a real business system, IPC Voices, as mentioned previously, has a QA access that you can actually so you can verify all of the information that you've actually done, all the calls, everything actually that transpired in the company.